Religion and freedom. India must protect its freedoms, and at the same time, India must come down heavily on religious violence. If anybody violates the religious rules, breaks the religious rules, and that particular person or that particular group will undergo a severe criticism, a bitter criticism. So, in this sentence, come down heavily on meaning reprimand, scold, criticize. And see the list 17 words are given. These are all synonymous of come down heavily on something. Look at the 16th one, haul over the coals. This is also another idiomatic expression meaning criticize somebody bitterly. Next word, repudiate. Repudiate means reject. Suppose if anybody puts allegations against somebody and the person who is accused, who is blamed, who is alleged, and that person rejects those allegations are wrong, denies those allegations are wrong, he gainsays those allegations are wrong. So repudiate meaning reject, deny, or gainsay. And the second slide. The first word is arbitrary. And look at the sentence. The process can be selective and often means sometimes the process can be arbitrary. Means that process not based on reason. In spotlighting countries, spotlighting meaning and draw attention to or bring something into limelight. Mirroring this pattern, meaning representing this pattern, India selectively approaches global opinions on itself. How? Embracing, meaning accepting, and celebrating laudatory ones. Laudatory means praise, and rejecting inconvenient ones. The frantic and relatively successful efforts to raise its ease of doing business ranking by the World Bank is a case in point. A case in point means an example. Many of these reports have a circulatory life. The USCIRF report quotes UN special reporters to buttress its point, to buttress meaning to support its point on the discriminatory outcome or on the discriminatory outcome of National Register of Citizens in Assam. So discriminatory meaning here and showing one's judgment or one's wisdom. Next word is cognizant. So the Indian government is cognizant of this pattern, means aware of this pattern or mindful of this pattern. Next slide. Here, the first word is adherent to, means follower. You know the verb form adhere. Adhere meaning stick to, follow to, abide by. Here adherent. So an adherent to global norms means following the global norms. It also aspires, means it also wishes to be on the table of global rule making. For a country with such stated ambitions, its record on religious freedom as reflected through events of the last 1 year is deeply concerning, is deeply disgusting, is deeply upsetting, is deeply disappointing. The catalogue of religious violence, incitement meaning provocation, and wrecking of the rule of law in several parts of the country remains unsettling fact. Here, wrecking meaning ruining, destroying. The partisan nature of the ruling dispensation is also difficult to wish away, to wipe off, to remove, or to cancel. So, wish away meaning to wipe off, to avoid, or to abnegate. Right? Where partisan meaning biased. So here the biased nature of the ruling dispensation is very difficult to wash away, to wish away, meaning to wipe off, to remove. And this is a big article, and look at the first paragraph only. The making of the modern public intellectual. Public intellectuals should be respected, or the public intellectuals should be revered, should be worshipped, should be deferred. What is the reason? Because they speak out against injustice. Means they speak honestly, candidly in the public. Because they are the crusaders. They fight against injustice wherever it occurs. So that's why speak out meaning, that means they speak honestly, candidly in the public, and in order to give justice to the people and who are caught in troubles. If there is any injustice happening to those people, and there are some intellectual people, they come and they give what you call their rendering hand. And in this passage, in Sophocles' powerful play, Antigone, the daughter of Oedipus, defies the edict of the king. So here defy meaning disobey, or showing one's disobedience. Edict meaning rule, or what you call order of the king. So if anybody violates or showing their dissatisfaction or disobeys the order of the king, then we use the two words defy and edict. Here the list of the words, 13 words are given. These 13 words are the synonymous of two words in this list. One is defy and another is transgress. And look at that word. When Creon charges her with disobedience of the law, and you didst indeed dare to transgress that law. So transgress meaning violate the law, disregard the law, kick against the rules and regulations, or contravene, or you can say infringe, or set one's face against. Set one's face against means disobey, transgress, or thumb one's nose at somebody, meaning ignore, disregard, and showing your carelessness. And that is the meaning of thumb one's nose at. So these 13 words are synonymous of defy and transgress. And see the word edict. So it is repeated. Edict meaning order. Next one is feast on. Feast on means it is really a what you call mouth-watering food, and to devour or to eat. And next one, override. So here override means ignore. Could override the unwritten and unfailing statutes of heaven. So unfailing meaning constant. Right? Antigone articulates the fundamentals of a just law. Here articulates meaning speaks. That means speak out. We learned the word speak out. Speak out means speak openly, frankly. So articulate meaning and speak. We have articulation power. Means we have the voice. We can express our feelings. That is called articulation. Next one. See here we have two idiomatic expressions and two high frequency words. Histrionics. So here histrionics meaning it is in plural form. We know the two film actors are no more. One is Raj Kapoor. And that Raj Kapoor, he made a special mark not only with hard work, but he also carved a niche. He had also a special identity in his audience because of his, not only his hard work, because of his dramatic performance. That is called melodramatic performance. That melodramatic performance is called histrionic. That's why he won. That is because of these two actions, and those two actions won him both bouquets and brickbats. That means he received both compliments and criticisms. and he has a special identity. And the next actor is Irfan Khan, and he is also no more. And this person has so much of ease in his actions, and that is his plus point. And another plus point is he has a peculiar style, particularly in delivering the dialogue modules or dialogue modulation. Right? He scaled great heights in his career, but Irfan never seemed to throw his weight around. So this is another idiomatic expression. Throw one's weight around means they never show their bossism. So here, throw his weight around means show bossism, but Irfan never showed his bossism, and he is down to earth personality. Whenever he was in the set or off the set, he was such a friendly person, amiable and amicable to everyone. That's why today, and these two persons are being received great tributes from his fan or from the public, from the audience. So these two persons' losses, it is a big loss to Indian cinema. Right. So this is today's word power. Thank you.